Family, what is up? So I'm super excited about this video because you guys have been asking me to do this tutorial for a minute. So it is here. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the best way to add your phone screen to your videos like this. So hopefully this video truly blesses you and you can get your phone screen popping in your videos. Now, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, what is you doing, baby? Go ahead and hit subscribe. So if you need YouTube advice and overall entrepreneurial and digital marketing advice, this is the channel for you. So definitely hit subscribe, join the family. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you get value out of this video, thumbs it up, man, because other people need to see it as well. So I've talked long enough. Let's get into the video. All right, you guys, so let's get into the tutorial now. Let's start with the screen recording part because that's honestly the easiest part of this tutorial. Now, I am using an iPhone. If you're not using an iPhone, I don't know what's going on with you, bro. Like, get an iPhone. Android is trash, but don't flag the video because of my opinion. I love y'all, just chill. But yeah, I'm using an iPhone, so I'm gonna show you how to do it with the iPhone. If you have an Android device, I'm not really sure how to do that, but you should be familiar with your phone enough to know how to do a screen recording. If not, do your Googles, okay? But it is fairly simple to screen record on iPhones. I'm gonna show you that right now. So for iPhone 10s or newer, all you have to do is swipe down or diagonally from the top right of your phone. And then there should be like a little record button. And I'm gonna show you here up on the screen. And then I'll count down 3, 2, 1. And then that's it. That's how you get your screen recording. And then whatever you're trying to show your audience, just do the screen recording. You know, I'm gonna put my Instagram on here because y'all need to follow me on Instagram, bro. So if y'all ever wanna talk to me, hit me up on Instagram. I love to talk to people. DM me if you have any questions. But yeah, Instagram is like the easiest way to get a hold of me if you want me like ASAP. So yeah, I'm screen recording my Instagram, whoop-de-whoop-de-woo, and then that's it, right? And then when you're done, you see the little red button up there, tap that, stop screen recording, and boom, that's it. You got your screen recording. So that's super, super easy. Now all you have to do at this point, you have to figure out a way to get it to your laptop or your MacBook. Now for me, I have all Apple devices. So, you know, I just airdrop this file to my MacBook and I'm good to go. Now, if you have another system like Android, you can use Google Drive or whatever you need to do to get the file off your phone to your computer. That's what you need to do. Okay, so boom, I'm gonna give you guys some picture-in-picture action. Now, I personally use Final Cut Pro to edit all my videos. Now, if you're not using Final Cut Pro, it should be essentially exactly the same techniques. Now, how you go about doing it may look a little bit different, but you're still gonna need the same thing, right? You're still gonna need your screen recording file, and then you're also gonna need a PNG file of a phone, and I'm gonna show you where to get that at now. So what I typically do is just search in Google. So typically what I do, I search in Google and I type in iPhone PNG file. Images. Then I find one that works for me. Now I already have one saved in my folder, so I'm not gonna download it, but you just wanna make sure it is a PNG file. Then you wanna go back to Final Cut or whatever your video editor is. And then boom, you just wanna load it up. All right, you guys, once you have your screen recording and then you have your PNG file of your iPhone, everything else is pretty simple, okay? So Final Cut Pro is super dope because everything is drag and drop. And so all I have to do is drop my screen recording on or over the top of my actual main talking video piece. And then I just drag the PNG file over top of the screen recording. And I'm gonna show you how to do that now. So all you have to do is grab the file like you see here. Gonna grab that file. And that's how it looks, okay? And then I typically move it over. Boom, like so. And then you take the PNG file, line it up, and then you get that, okay? And then also, I just moved that over as well. So boom, so that's the first initial edit that I make. Obviously, it looks like the screen recording is too big for the actual phone. So what I typically do is go over to the actual screen recording. You click this top right, and I typically scale it down to try to make it fit. It's never really perfect, but it's close enough to where people don't really notice it. Then I move it over a little bit. Do a little bit more resizing. You know, you can kind of play with it to your liking, you know. But that's really it. And then when you look at it, it looks good. And so it's fairly easy to do this. It's not hard, but that's literally it. That's all you have to do. So, all right, you guys, that is it for the tutorial. I hope that you guys truly enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all, make sure that you comment them down below. I do my very best to answer every single question that I see. So if you enjoyed the video, again, thumbs it up, subscribe if you're new. Until next time, be easy.